Thank you so much for joining us again for yet our next discussion. We're going to look at the Pareto principle today. It's also known as the 80-20 rule principle. Now, this principle will also help us to see how we can categorize inventory according to their value in an organization. Now, the Pareto principle, we have the small factor of an item contribute to a larger amount of value. The small items of 20% contribute 80% of value in an organization. So according to this principle, in an organization, we can have small items which contribute 20%, but actually the profits and value to the organization is actually 80%. They are the smallest majority but contribute the highest amount of revenue. So this tool is useful to identify those items that give a higher advantage to maximize profits while minimizing costs. It can also be interpreted as 80% spend or risk, or 80% of value residing in 20% supplies of inventory. It enables an organization to identify few suppliers or products that are critical to the organization whose supplies are of high value. Most procurement efforts in terms of resources, human resource, finance needs to be concentrated in these 20% of supplies. Very good. We'll have an example of a supermarket. 20% of the stock that provides 80% value could be coming from the electronics department. Now, more resources will have to be concentrated in the electronics. For example, maintain a good relationship with the suppliers, monitoring their stock levels and security of the items. Well, that's how we come to the end of the Pareto principle, the 80-20% rule. Thank you so much, and please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more of these discussions.